Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on F32 BMW. It's not mine, it's a 4 Series, it's a lovely white one, and we're going to be fitting a Maxton design front splitter to it. The F32 that we're going to be fitting this Maxton design front splitter to. It did have the M Sport one that kind of comes over these parts here before, up here, but it kind of fell off one side and then scratched on the ground and destroyed itself. So we've, after picking up this one here from MCG, should look pretty sweet on it. We have all the bolts and all to go underneath it, so I'll get Matthew to hold the owner to hold it up in a second here, and we'll get a few shots of what it's going to look like. That's center, isn't it? See, I don't know if you can adjust how far you want it to come in. There. Just fitting this car part there. In the YouTube books, you know. That's why people sick when the screen just turns to the side. Oh, we broke our first bolt. Right, my side's smashed up. Yeah. Are you putting a... hold your son, I'll see how you have it. Yeah, that's how mine is anyway. So we're having a little bit of trouble fitting the splitter. We couldn't gain access to the very front of the bumper as there's loads of shit in the way, so we're getting self-tap screws just for the very front because they don't need bolts to go on the other side. So for the back part we're going to fit in the bolts and the nuts that are provided with the kit. You know your limit is 100 kilometers an hour when you put these on.
It goes under. You said taking off.
Yeah,
no, this goes up. The spoiler makes it go down.
Oh, so
it goes a wheelie.
That's the point of it. So we've, after putting through all the screws, we had to pick up a lot of self-tapper ones just because we had no access to the other side to use, where are the existing bolts? The existing bolts here, as they come with nuts that have to go on the top. So with these, we're going to do all on the back here, as it's the only part we have access through by taking off the undercarriage piece here, and then we've done self-taps all down the other side as well, where we have no access to. As there's like, it's so thin up here that we couldn't put the bolt in, we couldn't reach our hands in. So that's what we're going to do, use about 7 or 8 of these, and just extra reinforcement all on the back here. Okay, so we just have the splitter on there now. We put 3-4 more of the actual bolts that came with the kit on the back, and looks so sweet on the car. It's definitely a lot better than before. Makes the car kind of look a little bit lower. Before he used to have the M Sport kit, that kind of lip that came up here, but that kind of came off and it was way too low. That's it for this video. If you're looking for the lip, I'll have a link down in the description to MCG where you can pick it up. If you like to give it a thumbs up. Splitter looks really good in the car. I definitely recommend this. Cheap enough, I think it was about 120 quid.